Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, this site can't be reached Windows 11. First method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Right-click Network Adapter, click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties. Check use the following DNS server addresses. Second method is type cmd in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type ipconfig space, /flush DNS. Type netsh space, int space, ip space, reset. Type netsh space, winsock space, reset. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet, click Advanced Network Settings. Click Network Reset, click Reset Now. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.